Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install iPhone keyboard on Samsung Galaxy Tab A8. If you want to have Apple keyboard on your tablet, just go to Play Store and search for an app named Green Apple Keyboard. Then install this green app and click on open. Now I'm gonna flip my tablet, click on enable in settings, then enable Green Apple Keyboard. Then at the bottom click on OK twice. Then you can go back, switch input methods, switch it to Green Apple Keyboard and click on finished. Now I'm gonna go back to this orientation and let's go into any app that you can type in, for example Google, and you can see that this keyboard is on. It looks like this in horizontal mode and like this in vertical mode. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.